So this is our hotel room, and it's literally insane. Like, the bed is right there, and then right there is the amazing view, and you can actually go upstairs, which is so insane. So let's do that. Let's go upstairs. What? It's literally insane. Oh my god. So yeah, let's go upstairs. And there's actually like a little lounge right here. Ooh, it's so cute. So yeah, that's our hotel room, and it's so pretty here. I can't believe it. Like, I'm sleeping right there. It's crazy. It's literally insane. So yeah, that's the hotel room, and yeah. We are at the Marina Bay Sands right now. We're not actually staying there because it's so expensive. And here is the Shop Has Mall, which is also really nice, but the shops are really expensive there. So yeah, but it's really pretty here, and this building is so big. So yeah, we are at Gardens by the Bay right now, and it's really hot right now. I think like 35 degrees, but it's really beautiful here, and there are some really pretty like lights like right here, and it's really nice here. Super pretty here, and lots of nature. Going to the Raffles statue and like Stanford Raffles. Marina Bay was really nice, and it looks like it's gonna start to rain. Yeah, because it's pretty cloudy, and it kind of got dark because of the clouds. And we're gonna go to Parkgate, and yeah, and it's really funny because I already picked up Singlish, so like if we take like a Grab, I always like speak Singlish, which is kind of funny because I don't really do it on purpose. So I kind of just picked it up. It's funny, but it's very funny. It's really funny, yeah. Oh my god, look how cloudy it is. I think it's gonna rain soon. By the way, that is our hotel, and it's a really nice hotel, and their hotel rooms are designed to look like lots, so it's really cool. So you have 2 floors, and yeah, I actually don't tell this anyone, but I actually think it's better than Marina Bay Sands. Was actually under construction, so that was kind of sad, but now we're going back to the hotel with some scooters. Cool.